Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the new script of HYIP investment website. So this is the best investment website. The main feature of this website is that it is with user ranking advanced feature, and it has 6 themes in it, which means that you can use 6 different websites at a time. So this is the amazing thing about this website. So you can see that this website is hosted on my domain websparrow.xyz. And let's start the video. This website is with admin panel, which means that you can control your complete size, you can change logo, you can change everything on your website. So let's start the video. So first of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website, and you can also change themes from admin panel. So here you can learn more, you can change the text. So here is animated section of statistics, all members, average investment, country supported, welcome to HYIP. This is about section. You can add image about yourself from admin panel and add text about yourself and the website. So here is why choose investment plan. These are some features: expert management, registered company, secure investment, verified security, and other. So these are some features. Here is investment plan section. So as website is newly created, so that's why it is not showing any investment plan. But when you list a investment plan from admin panel, those investment plans will be shown here. It's easy process to list investment plans. So here is the answer and question section. You can add most asked questions. Here is check our clients feedback. This is client testimonials. You can add your client testimonials in this section, and this is a completely animated section. So this is a process of how it works: register and log in, add funds, select a service, and enjoy super results. Here is an invention history. Know more about us. You can add about yourself and total deposit, total members, total accounts. So you can see how amazing and animated website it is. So here's a subscribe section. You can subscribe to this website and read blogs. You can also add blogs, read them from admin panel. So this is an amazing website. These are all the payment gateways in this website. You can see them, and you can edit them from admin panel. Here is the footer section of this website. You can change complete footer section, contact us, everything you can change through admin panel. So here there are different pages. You can also view these pages separately. For example, I view about section, and it will take me to separately to the about section. So this is a completely amazing about section of this website. So let's log into website, and let me show you the user dashboard of this website. So I've just click on there, and I've already created account on it. So I've logged in using my account. So here is I entered my username, which is web123, and I will enter my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So I click on remember me and sign in. So it will. So here you can see that I've signed into my user dashboard. So this is the user dashboard of the user. So I've go to my user dashboard, and here is my dashboard. So here you can see the amazing dashboard of user. User can view all his details on his dashboard or her dashboard. His balance, user can see its balance, interest balance, total deposit, total earn. Here is a graph of investments, and here's a completely animated section of investment completed, ROI speed, ROI redeem, and here are some account statistics. So you can view these statistics, and here is referral link. You can refer your friends and other members. So all the last referral bonus, you can see your referral bonus, and you can set everything through admin panel. And here you can see is amazing thing. Here are the notification section. You can see who logged into your website and everything about it. So this is the user panel of this website, and you can view also. You can change your password, enable 2 factor authentication, security, and logged out. So I've just logged out from this website. So this is the user dashboard of the user, and now let me show you the admin panel features and how admin can control this site. So let's explore our admin panel of this website. So I've logged in my admin panel in that other browser. So let me show you. So this is our amazing admin panel of this HYIP Pro website. So you can see the admin dashboard. Admin can see total user, total active user, total joined user, total user funds, everything admin can control and see here. So you can see the interest, everything about your website, graphs, statistics, and other payouts settings, everything admin can see. So here admin can see users, their balance, and admin can also edit them and send them emails. So this is the amazing admin dashboard. So here are some other features. Role, admin can assign roles and permissions. KYC identification, admin can control it. Here is user ranking option, which is the most advanced feature of this website. So it is not in most HYIP website, but it is in this HYIP Pro website. So you can rank users according to their investments. So this is the user ranking. You can see here are the ranking of users. You can add new rankings. As website is newly created, that's why it is there is no ranking here. It is only showing one ranking, which is minimum earning 20 USD. So here are some schedules. Admin can list schedule. Admin can list plans from this section. Admin can list plans on his website. Here are the referral commission settings. Admin can do these settings. Here admin can control transaction setting, investment setting, commission settings. Here admin can see all the users and control them, edit them, remove them. Here are pending KYC settings and send email. Admin can send emails to all these users from this section. And these are payment methods. Here are payment gateways. There are many automatic payment gateways as well as there are a manual payment gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways of this website. So admin can edit them and remove them. So let's see the manual payment gateways. So admin can also list manual payment gateways from this section. Here admin can control deposit request, payment log, payout method, payout settings. These all admin can control, tickets, open tickets, and everything to this. So here are the basic control. Admin can change website name from this section, currency, and website base color. So admin can change site name, USD, time zone, currency, and other basic settings of the website. So these are our registration, joining bonuses, everything admin can control from here. So here are the basic settings. So let us explore. Admin can control plugin and configuration. Here admin can set up email settings. Here are SMS settings, push notification setting, manage languages. Here are manage themes. So let me show you the all 6 themes of this website. So this website is amazing website with 6 themes. It means that you can use this website with 6 different settings. So these are all the themes, 6 different themes of this website. So you can see all these themes. So it is loading these themes, so it is taking time, that's why. So you can just have to click on select and activate, and it will activate that theme. So these are 6 themes. So here are some other settings such as well, and you can see that. And you can manage logo. You can change logo of website through this section, manage breadcrumb, and manage other content sections. So from here you can change from about our section. You can change any section information and insert your own information on these sections. And here is content setting. You can control it. So viewers, in this video is about all about the demo of this website. Now if you need this PHP script, you can contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script on low price. Don't worry about the price, come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. And if you need complete website with hosting, we will provide you the complete website with hosting. Thank you very much.